Can you imagine how future technologies will change our lives? We live in reality, but there is a dream inside everyone. What if we can bridge the gap between dreams and reality?
Hi, my name is Anli. I have been a computer engineer for nearly 20 years. I'm proud to present to you Impression Pi, virtual reality with an interactive experience like you have never seen before.
Impression Pi is a revolutionary VR headset. It is wireless, enabling unlimited movement, and incorporates 3D gesture control, position tracking, and a perfect combination of both virtual and augmented realities.
I think interactive controllers are the last major obstacle for VR to achieve mass consumer adoption.
At its core, it is a computer vision powerhouse, made possible by our specially designed sensing hardware, computing unit, and advanced algorithms.
Virtual reality is my passion. My dream has always been making the digital world as realistic, natural, interactive as the real one, and combine the two worlds together. In 2004, I've created one of the first virtual 3D desktop interfaces, and I haven't stopped creating ever since. Now at Impression Pi, we are creating something that is truly mobile and enabling the most engaging VR and AR experiences.
Embedded IMU-enabled high-performance head orientation tracking. By observing the relative position, Impression Pi is able to calculate your actual movements. The computer vision algorithm processes the images of hands, collects information on hand movements, and generates 3D gesture modeling augmented reality overlays, the real world, within the virtual scenario to provide a spectacular display that makes what you see much more enjoyable. You can also capture precious virtual moments and share them on social networks.
We are a multidisciplinary team. Our core technology is developed in the Bay Area, and we have manufacturing experts in China working to put Impression Pi into mass production.
Pi is designed to be fashionable, foldable, and very compact. You can easily carry it. You can enjoy Impression Pi in gaming, social networking, education, and a countless variety of ways to have a deeply immersive, interactive 3D experience.
The Impression Pi's VR head-mounted displays has some unique and interesting gesture controls that it brings to the mobile platform. And I think that will enable some very interesting gameplay for mobile devices that are powering some of these VR platforms today.
I really cannot wait to get my hands on this new product, Impression Pi, and please support them.
We designed this product to take you beyond reality to where your imagination is the only limit. In order to do that, we need your support. We ask you to play a part and share in the creation of this captivating product.
When I was a kid, I always imagined my bike was a race car. Biking is great. It's healthy, fun, and functional. If someone says to you, hey, how about going on a bike ride? What comes to mind? Pure enjoyment and pure fun. But on the other hand, if someone says to you, hey, how about a bike commute? Then what comes to mind? Right, not so much fun anymore. The Rat Racer is the world's first highway speed and highway safe bike vehicle. It's a human-electric hybrid bike that goes as fast as a car. When you pedal, you go highway speed.
Hi, I'm Scotty Olson. I'm the proud inventor of rollerblades, the row bike, and Skyride. I know what it's like trying to get something new on the market. The Rat Racer, it's for fitness, it's for recreation, transportation. So let's get on board and let's make this thing happen.
I'm a biker and a bike commuter, and I wanted to commute in something safer and faster and protected from the elements while still being really fun. I wanted there to be no more excuses for me not getting my exercise and reducing my carbon footprint. So I invented the Rat Racer. No more weather, no more sharing a busy road with bigger and faster vehicles, no more trying to carry your briefcase and lunch on your back. The Rat has a roll cage frame and composite body just like a race car, and lights, seat belts, and an airbag just like a regular car. The Rat is safer than a motorcycle or a bicycle on a busy street. But that's not even the best part. The Rat Racer is an ultra high-speed pedal boosting amplifier. Hi, Rocky here's guitar is plugged into an amplifier. That's why it's so loud. But if I turn down the volume knob, I turn down the amount of amplification. If I turn up the volume, the amount of amplification goes up. And if I unplug his guitar, there's no amplification at all. Hear that? All that intestine liquefying, brain melting, intimidating noise your favorite band makes would be this loud without the amplification. Oh, sorry. The Rat Racer works the same way. If a conventional bicycle is like an acoustic guitar, the Rat Racer is like an electric guitar. It boosts or amplifies your pedaling input to car speed. And all the while, your pedal power is being converted into electricity to extend your range and charge the battery. The Rat is also versatile. You never have to pedal if you don't want to. You can just stop pedaling and use the throttle. You plug it into a common household outlet and it's recharged by lunch. Plus, the Rat can run workout programs. You could be driving the flatlands of North Dakota, but pedaling the hills of San Francisco, even while stuck in traffic. I was fortunate to receive a grant from the state of Minnesota to build the first prototype. Now we need to design and build our model for production. As you might expect, making a new kind of car is pretty complicated and expensive. I'm not as smart as Caraticus Potts or Doc Brown to be able to do it myself, so I need to reach out to other people for help, and that's where you come in. To get this done, we have to go from a community of about half a dozen or so people to a community of thousands of people. Your help is as important as any of the engineers, designers, artists, or anybody else that's worked on it.
To the Ratmobile!
Please contribute today, and together we can create a revolutionary new vehicle that's not only fun and good for your health, but good for our future.
Hi, I'm Phil Newman, co-founder of Retouch 3D. Until you own a 3D printer, what you don't realize is that removing supports and getting rid of printing errors really sucks. We figured that if heat created a 3D print, then heat was the best way to clean it up. The world's first heated tool for cleaning up 3D prints, with variable heat control and interchangeable heads designed for specific 3D retouching tasks.
When designing Retouch 3D, we knew we wanted to make a product that was easy to handle, aesthetically pleasing, and something that complemented your 3D workspace. Our final ergonomic handheld design combines comfort and precision, allowing users to hold the tool in different hand positions for finishing 3D printed models.
You spend
spend hours modeling your 3D designs, and yet many 3D printers leave your prints looking scrappy and unfinished. One of the biggest frustrations is the hours spent cleaning up your 3D prints to create a perfect model. Well, those days are over. Introducing the Retouch 3D. Retouch 3D is the world's first specialty heated tool designed to clean up 3D printed models.
Hi, I'm Phil Newman, co-founder of Retouch 3D. Until you own a 3D printer, what you don't realize is that removing supports and getting rid of printing errors really sucks. We figured that if heat created a 3D print, then heat was the best way to clean it up. So, after experimenting with soldering irons, heated wax tools, blow torches, powered grinders and other scary equipment, we arrived at the Retouch 3D, the world's first heated tool for cleaning up 3D prints, with variable heat control and interchangeable heads designed for specific 3D retouching tasks. It's time to finish the job properly.
Retouch 3D makes cleaning up 3D prints fun and easy. Simply power on the tool, input your selected temperature level, and in no time, get ready to remove all the unwanted material from your 3D print, like a hot knife through butter.
Hi, I'm Joseph Friend, and I'm the product designer of Retouch 3D. When designing Retouch 3D, we knew we wanted to make a product that was easy to handle, aesthetically pleasing, and something that complemented your 3D workspace. Our final ergonomic handheld design combines comfort and precision, allowing users to hold the tool in different hand positions for finishing 3D printed models. With the assistance of heat, our product is truly the first in the 3D printing industry.
Retouch 3D's 5 interchangeable macro and micro remover heads make it easy to remove large support structures, as well as close-in supports that are hard to reach. The 5 Retouch 3D heads have been designed to address the main issues associated with 3D printed models, from support removal to refining layer imperfections.
My name is Erin Donaldson, and I'm an anaplastologist. This means I make prosthetics for people. Well, different kinds of tools and tips are required for different kinds of jobs. Using hot tools gives you more control, and it saves you time.
Hi, I'm Amanda Hurt, the project manager for Retouch 3D. Let me tell you a little more about our control system. Let's say you wanted to clean up a PLA 3D model. To begin, press the power button. You will know the Retouch 3D is turned on once there is a constant light. Then, select the input from the lookup chart. The Retouch 3D input is a combination of number and level. We have been working really hard to reach where we are today. In the last year, we have developed our concept, formulated our team, outlined our cost of goods, created a manufacturer shortlist, and filed our patent. To make Retouch 3D become a reality, we have mapped out the next 12 months. We will spend the next 2 months preparing our design for manufacture and starting the microelectronics engineering. Month 5, we will see us entering the prototype phase, and in our 7th month, we will expect to begin our beta testing. Subject to beta test results, we expect to finalize the product and bill of materials by month 8. If all goes well, we will start manufacturing in month 11, with first product shipping by month 12.
We believe the Retouch 3D is the next essential tool for anybody with a 3D printer, whether you're a designer, engineer, or hobbyist. With Retouch 3D, you no longer have to be frustrated with an unfinished 3D model.
We're really excited to be the first with this idea, and we'd like to share it with you.
We'd like to ask for your help to bring Retouch 3D to the world. Finish the job properly with Retouch 3D.
With your pledge, you'll become one of the first people in the world to finish your 3D printed models beautifully.
We have the team, the product design, and the electronics to bring this innovative product to you. The Retouch 3D.
Finish the job properly!
Hi, my name is Eric Bell, founder of HEMA Imaging. Our company gives homeowners and trades professionals the ability to detect and understand invisible problems in homes, offices, and buildings using augmented thermal imaging. Everything around us gives off invisible light based on heat. Thermal imaging shows us images of these temperatures. Through research, I realized that any thermometer or thermal imager can tell you the temperature, but what people need is a tool that processes that data intelligently and diagnoses the situation. Introducing the HEMA Vision, a self-contained smart thermal imager that calculates and diagnoses situations specific to your needs. For the first time, you won't just have images given to you, but information that will help you decide if something is a concern or within normal limits. All you have to do is point and scan a scene using one of our applications. The HEMA Vision will then analyze and tag relevant parts of the images automatically. You can then upload the tagged shots to your cloud account for further analysis or reporting. It's that simple. No more guessing whether a temperature is a concern or within normal limits. With your help, we can manufacture a thermal imager that's not only affordable, but easy to use. The technology is out there. It's just understanding how we can utilize it in a way that makes it accessible to everyone. For instance, the image processing engine on the HEMA Vision relies on a low-power quad-core ARM processor and Linux-based operating system. Using our expertise in image processing, we have developed applications that use algorithms based on computer vision and the physics of heat transfer, evaporation, and other processes to solve specific problems. Instead of relying on a microbolometer, which needs a shutter to periodically stop and recalibrate, we use a thermal diode array which does not have this limitation. Furthermore, we've evaluated all the affordable thermal cores and selected the one with the lowest noise level, with even better sensitivity than arrays with double the resolution. A quick charge battery provides over 4 hours of continuous use. Control it with an intuitive touchscreen interface or the front button. Built-in Wi-Fi access points so you can stream images to any connected web browser. A robust case that can withstand different environmental conditions. The HEMA Vision has all these powerful features and excellent sensitivity despite being under 1/6 the cost of a typical thermal imager. Consulting with professionals, we've developed scripts that will look at different scenarios. Detecting if there are circuit breakers that need to be replaced immediately or if they're just running a little warm. Expose whether or not the inside of a wall is moist or damp, or let you know if there is a more serious leak that will require a professional. Find where in your home it makes most sense to invest in improvement costs in order to save money in the long run. Funding will go to manufacturing, design of our next circuit board, industrial design of the case, certification of the final HEMA Vision, and packaging. We've kept our costs down because we want to bring to market a product that will revolutionize thermal imagers by making them easy to use with or without the training provided today. Homeowners and professional tradesmen will find the HEMA Vision to be the ultimate diagnostic tool. This is a big change for the thermal imaging world. We relied on many sources as we developed the original concept. We most recently had a booth and announced the HEMA Vision at Consumer Electronics Show 2015. CES was a great opportunity to meet with key players in the thermal imaging industry and refine the HEMA Vision design with the many people we met with. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll answer it as soon as possible. After the campaign ends, we will also post bi-monthly updates on our progress. Join us now in making the HEMA Vision a reality and be the first to start using this new technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike DiPietro. I work here at Right Wing RC, and I'm here to talk to you about the DRAC. The DRAC is an exciting new aircraft that we've been developing, and we'd like to take it to the next level and put it on the market so you can get it. Our goal with the design of this aircraft was to give you a stable and durable airframe with great carrying capacity. It is a lightweight foam airframe that gains its stability from its forward swept wing design and extended fuselage. The possibilities with the DRAC are limitless. You can strap cameras all over this thing and it will still fly fast and true. It can handle more batteries without losing its swiftness, and it is easy to handle and fly in any circumstances. The DRAC is excellent for hobbyists, FPV flyers, and can be outfitted with autopilot technology for numerous drone applications.
Hi, my name is Caden and I'm an employee here at Right Wing. Here at Right Wing, we are committed to bringing cutting-edge designs to the world of remote-controlled aircraft at affordable prices that are accessible to a vast market of individuals. Unfortunately, under the circumstances we are currently under at Right Wing, we don't have the means to bring this product to the market. As of right now, it takes 2 days to take a block of foam and carefully craft it into the shape of the DRAC. This time doesn't even include the time it takes to kit it out or the time it takes to fully assemble it and make it ready to fly. This process can take multiple days due to the tedious hand crafting we do to ensure a good product. The goal is to have the aircraft molded in a quicker, more precise, and more consistent way. Molds are just not cheap, and in order to get the ball rolling on this project, we're going to need some help. After we get your help, we will be able to bring this innovative new aircraft to you at an affordable price. The DRAC is simply the best choice for anybody that is looking for the next big thing in RC aircraft.
Hello, this is Chris Click from Right Wing RC. I am very excited about this Right Wing DRAC, and I hope I can get your support. Thank you very much.
So we started with an interesting question. Why is it so hard to eat right, or to get to the gym, or to cut back on bad habits? And the answer is surprising. Most of us are pursuing the benefits of good health, but because these benefits take so long to achieve, they're actually really poor motivators. In fact, research has shown that pursuing short-term, concrete rewards is far more motivating. And that's why we built K-Safe. K-Safe is a smart, lockable container that only opens when goals have been accomplished. It crams years of economic research from MIT and other leading universities into a beautiful and fun product that helps us stay motivated and achieve our goals. The process is simple. Place something you enjoy into KSafe, then use the app to lock KSafe and set a single or a recurring goal. Once locked, KSafe will only unlock once you've achieved your goal. There are no overrides. That's all there is to it. Because KSafe is powered by the things you love, you always stay motivated. Hit your goal, enjoy the cookies, TV remote, iPad, or whatever you had locked up, pat yourself on the back, and repeat.
Right now, there are 3 types of goals that you can customize. First, there are activity goals. Lock KSafe until you've taken a certain number of steps or covered enough distance. For example, only allow yourself to snacks on days that you've been really active or gone on a run. You can pair with your fitness tracker or let the app keep track by itself. Next, there are location goals. This one's great for the weightlifters or students. Throw in the TV remote or weed and set KSafe to only unlock on days that you've checked into a location like a gym or a library. Finally, there are time goals. Tell KSafe to only open at certain times of the day, week, or month, or simply put the lock on a timer. And if you like things simple, KSafe can automatically lock and reload previous goals. The app provides a fun way to track progress and review past goals. And we plan to continuously enable new goals based on what you, our backers, find useful.
Before KSafe, we built the Kitchen Safe, which actually applies a subset of the same research principles.
And we were amazed to hear what people achieved with our first product. From losing weight, to quitting smoking, to helping professional athletes maintain a strict diet. We were thrilled to receive incredible national recognition from Shark Tank, The Today Show, Time Magazine, and just recently PBS News even called it life-changing.
We've learned so much from our customers, and we've taken everything we've learned and more and put that into KSafe.
It's a beautiful product, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Order yours today and back something that helps us stay motivated and achieve goals.
Hi, I'm Kenneth from RedRack. Here at RedRack, we are constantly thinking about how we can improve 3D printers and 3D printing technologies. As we see it, the next step for 3D printers is reliable, multicolor and multi-material printing. And that's why we started the development of the diamond hot end. Today, 3D color printing with regular single nozzle hot ends is possible. But it requires you to fuse the filaments together before printing. This process is time-consuming and the colors are difficult to time and can only happen in the horizontal plane. Dual hot end solutions are faster and offer better control, but entails a completely different set of problems. First, you need to align the height of the nozzles. If one nozzle is just a tad lower than the other, it will damage your print. Next, you need to calibrate the precision of the nozzles in relation to each other. If you don't calibrate the nozzles correctly, the colors will be overlapping on one side and gaping on the other side. Another major problem with dual hot end printing is the filament oozing from idle nozzles, causing a major print drop. The diamond nozzle hot end is a single nozzle hot end for 3D printing in multiple colors and requires a minimum of calibration. It allows you to time exactly when and where the changes and eliminates the problem of oozing nozzles. It allows you to feed the different types of filaments through one nozzle and provides a faster, easier and more precise method of 3D printing. And at an affordable price with a minimal filament waste.
Hi, I'm Peter. The key feature of the diamond hot end is the diamond-shaped nozzle. We have designed the nozzle to have the smallest possible mixing chamber to make color shift as fast as possible and to avoid unnecessary filament waste. To ensure rapid nozzle heat up, we have constructed the nozzle as compact as possible. Right from the beginning of this project, we wanted to create a top-shelf product. That is why we have chosen to incorporate the heat sinks and heat breaks from E3D Online into the design of the diamond hot end. The E3D Online product represent a proven technology and is widely recognized as the best in the market. Furthermore, we have an ongoing business relationship with E3D Online and know the company to be a reliable supplier. At this time, we have developed mounting brackets and the necessary hardware and firmware upgrades for the Beko Cruiser i3 and the Beko Vidbox 3D printer. However, the design of the mounting bracket can easily be modified to fit most 3D printers on the market. We hope that the 3D printing community will collaborate with us in modifying the mounting brackets to fit other 3D printers and encourage everyone to share their bracket design with us. Any new bracket design shared with us will be made available for download from our website. We have tested the diamond hot-end with a variety of filaments, and that's including PLA, ABS, HIPS, nylon, polycarbonate and PETG with excellent results.
Hi, I'm Martin. The diamond nozzle requires a motherboard that supports triple extruders. We recommend using the Roomba motherboard for its easy firmware setup and triple extruder support. Adapting your existing firmware for use with the diamond hot-end is easy and only require you to do minor changes in the firmware. To ensure perfect colors and razor-sharp edges, the diamond hot-end require prime towers to purge the mixing chamber with every filament shift. The prime towers also need to be scaled to fit the C dimensions of the printed object. An alternative option is to purge the mixing chamber as infill. When using this option, you need to print the infill before the outer perimeters. We have also found Repetier Host to be excellent for preparing triple color prints, because it has proven to work reliably with the prime towers.
Hi, I'm Christian. For the last 6 months, we have spent several hundred hours designing, building, and testing multiple generations of prototypes. Our development is now complete, and we're ready for production. All we need now is your help to finalize the project. With your support, we can produce the first real batch of diamond hot-ends and bring reliable, multicolored, multi-material printing to the 3D printing community. Please back our project and share it with your 3D printing friends.